morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine children at your home. Welcome to Standard 2 English video children, and in this video we are going to discuss poem The Raindrops, and we are going to discuss the question answers of this poem. We are going to discuss the question answers of this poem The Raindrops. As we know that this poem, The Raindrops, is written by the poet J.E. Browning. So before starting the question answer children, first let's read the poem once. Okay? Let's start. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane. Here the poet, the speaker, is a young child children and is stuck inside the house, right? The poet is stuck inside the house on a rainy day. The poet is inside the house and outside it is raining. The child has been very naughty, so the parents have taken all the toys of the child, right? So the child is feeling bored in this poem and he has nothing else to do at home. So what he says in the next stanza, they won't let me walk. Here the child is complaining about the parents to the rain. They won't let me walk and they won't let me play and they won't let me go out of the doors all today. They put away my playthings because I broke them all, and then they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. So the child is complaining here about his parents, that my parents have taken all my playthings. My parents have taken all my playthings. Now he has nothing else to do. Next is, they say I am very naughty, but I have nothing to do. They say I am very naughty, but I have nothing else to do. But sit here at the window, I should like to play with you. The child wants to play with the rain by sitting at the window pane, by sitting at his window pane. So the child is feeling very excited to play with the rain. So the raindrops which are coming down the window pane, the child is excited to play with that. Now let's start the question answers children. The first question is, who is the speaker? Which lines in the poem tell you that? Who is the speaker children? The speaker is a young child. The speaker is a young child. And the next question is, which lines in the poem tell you that the speaker is a young child? The lines, they won't let me play and they put away my playthings. The lines, they won't let me play and they put away my playthings, tell us that. So these two lines tell us that the speaker is a young child. Next question is question number 2. Who are they? Who are they in the poem? And how can you be sure? How can you be sure? So they are the child is talking here that they won't let me go. They won't let me walk and they won't let me play and they won't let me go out of doors all today. The child is complaining here about his parents here. So they are the parents. They are the speaker's parents about whom the speaker is complaining, right? That they put away my playthings. They say I am very naughty. Who is complaining? Who is saying all these? The child, the young child is saying all these things, right? So the question is asking here that who are they in the poem? So they are the speaker's parents. They are the speaker's parents. I am sure. Next question is, how can you be sure that they are the speaker's parents only? I am sure because even though he is naughty, he listens to them. Right? In spite of being naughty. Right? So why do the speaker listen to them? Because they are his parents. Even though he is naughty, he listens to them. That's why I can be sure that they are the speaker's parents. Next is, do you think the speaker is bored? Do you think the speaker is bored? Why is he bored? Here you have to just answer that why the speaker is feeling bored. Yes, the speaker is bored because he has nothing else to do. The speaker is stuck inside the house on a rainy day, and the speaker is very naughty. So speaker's parents have taken all the playthings, all the bricks. Bricks, you understand, children? Small square piece of plastic. Small square pieces of plastics or wood, you can say, used as a toy by children to build. They build buildings, bridges by these bricks. So the speaker is a young child and he is feeling bored at home because parents have taken ball, all the playthings, you can say. So now the speaker wants to play with the rain falling on the window pane. So the answer would be yes, the speaker is bored because he has nothing else to do. Yes, the speaker is bored because he has nothing else to do, my dear. Next is the speaker punished? Why do you think so? So the answer would be, is the speaker feeling punished? Is the speaker punished here? Why do you think so? If you think that the speaker is punished, why do you think so? Yes, the speaker is being punished here, right? For being naughty, for his naughtiness and breaking all his toys. That is why his parents have taken all his toys, right? And he has nothing else to do. He has nothing to play with, right? So yes, the speaker is being punished here. And why? Why we think so? Why do we don't think so? Because speaker is punished here because his parents have taken all the things, right? Because he broke them all, right? So yes, the speaker is being punished for being naughty and for breaking all his toys. Now you have to also complete page number 44 going further. And the first question, these questions you are going to write in your copy, and answer you are going to write it by your own words, children. Okay? What is the question? Do you like the rain? Why or why not? You have to write in your own words that why do you like the rain? If you like it, why? And if you don't like, why don't you like it? Understood? Suppose that if I like the rain, what can I write? I can write that yes, I like the rain because I like to move in the rain. I like to go out in the rain, right? I like to go out when it is raining. I like to eat pakoras in the rain. Understood? And if you don't like the rain, then you can write that I don't like the rain because it makes me wet. It makes me wet, right? And if you will write that I like the rain because I can make paper boat and I can float in the rain, right? In the rain water, right? Because some people, they feel fresh, they feel happy when it rains, right? And some people, they don't like rain also. So you can write the answer in your own words. Sometimes rain causes big problems also, like flood. So you can write the answer by your own words in the copy. Next question is, what do you do if you cannot go out to play because it is raining? What do you do? So children, if I am at home and I cannot go outside to play and just because of rain, so what else can I do? I can just see the rain through the window, right? And enjoy the rain. Understood? Enjoy the sound of the rain, pitter patter. And we can have pakoras and coffee and soup also, right? When it is raining. And we can also spend some time by watching television with our family members. And we can have some gossips also, right? Next is question number 3. This question you are going to do it in the book, my dear. Draw any 3 things that you see when it rains. When it rains, children, what do you see? Let's see. You are going to draw it. We can see the umbrella when it rains. People, they carry umbrella during the rainy season. Understood? We see the people in raincoats. They wear raincoats to save themselves from the rain. Right? We can see the rainbow when we come outside after the rain. We can see the rainbow in the sky. We can see gumboots also. Right? People wear gumboots when it is raining. It protects their foot. It protects their feet from getting wet, right? Or getting dirty. So now children, I hope you all have understood whatever Miss has explained. So thank you students for watching this video till end. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day.